Hi, my name is Robert Eden and I'm the owner of Eydens Auto Locksmiths and Vehicle Security. We would highly recommend that owners of the modern day cars have a ghost immobiliser fitted. This is because the factory immobiliser are inadequate and cars are being stolen in seconds. The ghost immobiliser gives you an additional layer of security, so even when the manufacturer's security is overridden, the car will not start. The ghost immobiliser is unique in the fact that it's hidden within the car's electrical wiring system. It's called a ghost because it's virtually invisible, so therefore can't be found and tampered with or overridden, keeping your vehicle extremely secure. In addition, the ghost immobiliser cannot be found using signal detectors. It cannot be hacked and it cannot be blocked, therefore making your vehicle extremely secure. The installation of the ghost immobiliser is arguably one of the most important factors. At Eydens, we've installed literally thousands. Our team of highly skilled, ghost-approved installers ensure the highest quality every time. So you can contact us right here on our website to arrange your appointment, or you can call us to arrange your ghost installation.